So you need a natural sweetener, and you've been asked to go stevia-free because retailers are pushing for it and consumers are saying no to the taste of stevia. But reformulating isn't simple. You don't want to chase new sweetening systems, rework your flavor mask, or risk changing the product your customers already love. So what comes next? OnoSweet, a natural, zero-glycemic sweetener that's helping brands replace stevia without blowing up the formula. OnoSweet is fermented from rice and completely stevia plant-free. It delivers clean sweetness and no bitter or lingering aftertaste. And it scales smoothly. The more you add, the sweeter it gets, which makes it a dream for formulators. It works beautifully in gummies, ready-to-mix powders, beverages, food and snacks, confectionary and bakery, and more. If you're under pressure to go stevia-free, but you don't want to reinvent your product to get there, it might be time to taste how easy this solution can be. OnoSweet from Compound Solutions.